A couple of weeks ago, I released this tutorial on how to create consistent characters across multiple scenes for free. But I didn't cover how to put more than one character into various scenes and still maintain that consistency. Today, I'm going to show exactly how to do that and even give you some prompts to get started. Let's dive in. Before we begin, if you haven't seen the video I made previously, you might want to go and watch that first. It's only 4 minutes long and it'll give you the basics that you'll need before watching this video. I'll leave a link in the description below. Okay, the workflow is simple. I'll start by creating character sheets for all of my characters in the scene. In this example, I'll have two, a man and a woman. Then I'll use those to create a series of images that will be the starting frames for each of the short video scenes. Lastly, I'll create the videos themselves and then cut them together in my editing software of choice. Today, I'm going to use the free version of Google Gemini's Nano Banana to create the character sheets as well as the first frame images. And I'm going to use the free version of Meta AI to create the video scenes. I'll start in Gemini and select Create Image first. Then I'll enter the prompt, which you can find in the description below, and hit Submit. A few moments later, I have my first character sheet. I'll go ahead and download that now. Next, I'll enter the second prompt, and again hit Submit. Now I have my second character sheet. When you've created all the character sheets, it's important to rename them on your computer before the next step. Now I'll create the starting frame images. First, I'll select Upload Files and upload both of my character sheets. Then I'll enter my first scene prompt. Again, you can find it in the description below. A few moments later, I have the first scene starting image. Now I'll rinse and repeat for the second scene, and I'll keep doing that for all of them. When I have all of my starting frame images, I'll go ahead and rename them on my computer before heading over to Meta AI to create the videos. I'll start by selecting Create a Video from my photo, and then choose the first scene image. After entering my prompt, I'll hit Submit, and a few moments later, I have my first video. After giving it a watch, I've decided I'm not very fond of it, so I'll go ahead and tweak the prompt and try again. There, that's much better. From here, I'll rinse and repeat doing the same process with the other starting frame images. After all my videos are created, I'll go ahead and cut them together, and here's the final result. And there you have it, multiple consistent characters across scenes for free. What can I say? The future of video is here, and it's more accessible than ever before. Listen, if this video helped you out today, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI filmmaking and editing tutorials. I'm Jay Haynes for the Hit Film Sensei YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next one.